So I'm going to show you how to add an analog clock to the home screen of your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So simply long press an empty space on the home screen and then go to widgets. And from the widget categories, go to clock. Now you might have two in case you've installed the Google Clock app. So you can install that from the Play Store. And once you install it, you will see this option. Now I'm going to use this default clock for your Samsung phone. And you can choose, if you scroll, you will see the analog clock. You can tap on that, tap on add, and that's going to add an analog clock. Now, you can long press on it and drag it to the main home screen so that it sits at the top of the main home screen. And from here, you can also maybe move it exactly where you want. If you don't like it there, you can move it wherever you want on the home screen. Thanks for watching and good luck.